Hello and welcome to the course Deploying and Running Docker Containers by Pact Publishing. This video will give an overview about the course. Let us begin with a quick background about our instructor. Allan Espinosa is the author of the book Docker High Performance by Pact Publishing. He has extensive distributed systems experience and has worked on supercomputers, startups, and enterprises. Allan is currently working as a site reliability engineer, managing large systems, and applies most DevOps practices from the industry. He can be reached as @Allan Espinosa on Twitter and espinosa.io for his blog. This course shows a few best practices when adopting Docker. We will learn a few setups that can be implemented in our own environments. Our showcase consists of best practices of using tools around Docker like Docker Swarm, Jenkins, Elasticsearch, etc. This course is ideal for developers and operations engineers who have started their Docker journey and are looking to optimize their workflows to solve the challenges in scaling and running their applications. The first section will show how to set up multiple Docker environments for development, testing, and production. We will cover setting up all the infrastructure needed like a certificate authority so that our multiple Docker environments can properly interact with each other throughout the lifetime of our Docker applications. The second section will show how to use Jenkins to automate the deployment of our application in Docker. We will also learn how to use advanced Jenkins features like Jenkins files and write post-initialization scripts in Groovy. In the third section, we will learn how to scale our production environment with Docker Swarm mode. We will learn step-by-step how to set up a Docker Swarm cluster and deploy our application to it. For the fourth section, we'll improve our ability to scale our Docker infrastructure through automation. We will be using Chef to define how our Docker nodes look like in code. In the fifth section, we will set up monitoring and logging to collect metrics and logs coming from our Docker containers. We will then learn how to visualize these events in beautiful dashboards in Grafana and Kibana. In the last section, we'll look at various cloud providers that provide managed services for Docker containers so that we don't have to deal with the two previous sections on automation, monitoring, and logging. There's a few prerequisites for this course. All demo material in the course are made inside a CentOS 7 environment. The Docker Community Edition version 17.06 and 17.09 were used in the videos. Now, let us get started with the course and set up our Docker environments.